Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain Netflix series Wednesday, season 1, episode 4, which is titled as Whoa What a Night. The episode begins in the morgue. Wednesday and Think went to the morgue and start examining the latest victim of the monster, a local hiker, a creepy old man who has been found dead. At the same time, Think sneaks around stealing copies of the murder files for Wednesday. This shows that Wednesday has been using Think as a spy to gather evidence for her investigation. Back in her door, Wednesday goes through the files Think brought her. She studies the pattern of the murderers, trying to connect them. She notices strange claw marks, missing body parts, and a sequence that doesn't make sense, almost like someone is collecting trophy from victims. Wednesday visits Xavier Art Studio. She sees his disturbing paintings of the monster again and questions how he knows so many details. She notices fresh claw marks inside the studio and starts to believe even more strongly that Xavier may be hiding the truth. Xavier, however, insists he is innocent. He gets frustrated that Wednesday keeps accusing him. Meanwhile, Enid is focused on the upcoming Raven school dance. She wants it to be special and is nervous about her date with Ajax. She also encourages Wednesday to go to the dance, but Wednesday rejects the idea, saying it's a waste of time. Wednesday and Eugene go into the woods investigating the cave that they believe is Hyde's lair. Inside, they find chains, bones, and disturbing signs of the creature. Eugene, being brave, offers to keep watch on the cave when the dance happens. Wednesday promises him that she will back him up. Ajax accidentally petrifies himself while looking into the mirror, so he never shows up to meet Enid. She feels crushed and assumes he stood her up. Meanwhile, Taylor asks Wednesday to the Ravens. At first, she says no, but later, after encouragement from Think and Enid, she accepts. The big event begins. All the students wear white costumes, but Wednesday enters in a black vintage dress, standing out from everyone else. Taylor is her date, and they go to the dance floor together. The students dance, Bianca sings on the stage, and then comes the unforgettable moment. Wednesday's strange and iconic dance. Her movements are spooky, dramatic, and hypnotic. Everyone stops to watch. Taylor is impressed, and the scene becomes one of the most iconic scenes in the series. Just as the dance reaches its peak, buckets of red liquid pour down from the ceiling, soaking all the students. This cruel prank was set up by the local Jericho kids led by Lucas Walker. The students scream, thinking it's real blood. Chaos breaks out, the decorations are ruined, and the panic fills the hall. At the same time, Eugene is still in the forest, keeping watch at the cave. The Hyde suddenly appears and attacks him violently. Wednesday senses something is wrong and rushes into the woods. She finds Eugene laying injured and bleeding on the ground. He is taken to the hospital in critical condition. The episode ends with Wednesday standing in shock and guilt. She had promised to watch the cave with Eugene, but she chose to go to the dance instead. Now Eugene is near death, and the Hyde mystery has only grown darker. Stay tuned for the explanation of next episode, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.